It's Thursday, the Thursday edition, No Edits Crypto episode 252, coming to you with 3 stories today in the market update. The first story is bit of irony, I guess you could say. I'm not the largest Elon Musk fan out there in the world. I wouldn't even put myself in the top 7 billion. But he is some data, some search data from South Africa and across the world on Google searches has been printed here on the Bitcoinist, and it shows that even in his native country of South Africa, that it has more cryptocurrency adoption than and owners than any other country in the world. Bitcoin in the last week has had more searches than him and SpaceX, so I thought that was kind of an interesting story there. The subsidized car maker and CGI master of space. Into the second story here, Blockstack files with the SEC to raise $50 million in Regulation A plus crypto token sale. Blockstack, the New York-based blockchain software provider, launched in 2017 to create the infrastructure for a decentralized internet, has announced it intends to raise $50 million in a token sale that would leverage the SEC's Regulation A+ crowdfunding exemption. While the move still requires a regulatory review, the sale would enable Blockstack to raise capital through the U.S. securities markets via a subsidiary, Blockstack Token LLC, which would sell a token called Blockstack Stacks XTX, and a securities offering designed to be more flexible than an IPO. Introduced in 2012 under the Jobs Act, the Regulation A+ exemption enables equity crowdfunding campaigns to offer and sell securities to U.S. investors via 2 tiers, either for $20 million or $50 million, each over a 12-month period. A company can initiate a Regulation A+ offering by filing an offering statement with the SEC, which Blockstack officially submitted today. In total, 295 million STX tokens will be offered at 30 cents each. That is via Pete Rizzo, CoinDesk. Third story is world's second largest grocer joins IBM Food Trust blockchain. IBM getting into the blockchain news a lot lately. Albertsons Companies, the world's second largest supermarket company by sales, has joined IBM's Food Trust blockchain, a digital system for tracking and tracing food between retailers and suppliers. Announced Thursday, Albertsons will begin with a pilot involving suppliers of romaine lettuce, a product which was last year linked to a widespread outbreak of E. coli, resulting in recalls on a grand scale, 96 people being hospitalized and tragically 5 deaths. Based in Boise, Idaho, Albertsons operates nearly 2,300 stores across America, including Safeway, Vons, Joel Osco, Shaw's, and Acme chains. With $57 billion in sales in 2017, it was second only to Kroger among supermarket companies, according to the Balanced Small Business. Albertsons' addition brings the total number of brands involved in food trusts to over 80. Arguably the jewel in the IBM blockchain platform crown, Food Trust, which went into live production in October of last year, tackles a critical problem in the commercial food chain: the ability to rapidly pinpoint a dodgy batch of produce and surgically remove those tainted goods from circulation so that retailers don't have to empty their shelves of every item in the affected category: lettuce, spinach, beef, etc. Into the market, Bitcoin, after getting up to nearly 5450 yesterday, pretty close, has taken a big step back. Is at $5,026, down 4.53%. So it didn't get the breakout that I was hoping for, and a lot of people were hoping for, and the market's sliding back a little bit today. So we'll see if we break 5K later on today and test 4,800, or whether this was just a minor bump in the road. Ethereum down 8.59%, $163.66. Bitcoin Cash down 7.88%, $271.02. Litecoin down 10.49%, $77.66. EOS down 11.27%, $5.21. Monero down 5.37%, $67.16. Dash down 6.19%, $118.06. Neo down 9.15%, $11.21. To Steam, which dropped out of the top 50 again at 42 cents, down 13.82 cents percent. And lastly, Flash, currently down 3.66% at 0.0034. Aggregate market cap 170 billion, so it's taken a big drop back. The alt's really hurting right now. 170 billion, 287 million, 800,000, and Bitcoin dominance up to 52%. So not the best day for the market. I don't think there's any need to panic or anything, but definitely not as pretty as it's been the last couple weeks now. Everyone have a good Thursday.